Ace queen suited is in my 3-betting range against this type of player who is calling 3-bets very widely. I can just 3-bet. He will call with lot of wars, queen X's and aces. At this point, he 4-bets me on table 4, and I can play all the options basically. I can fold here, I can call, I can go all in as well. I think all of the plays are correct. I have a read on this guy that he likes 4-betting, so folding is not an option here. So I can either call or raise all in. At this time I decided to just call. And we have a queen, king 8 board, pretty dry, and he can have ace king, that beats me, aces, but I have a blocker for the aces. He would c-bet 100% of the time, so if I call preflop I definitely have to call here because I have a queen. And he checks. I check behind as well, and the river is a flush card, but if he had any flush draws, then he would bet all in on the turn, so I'm not worried about the flush. So I'm excluding the flush hands that beat me on the river. He can also have ace king that really pretty much beating me, and aces as well, but as I said before, I have ace queen, I have blocker for those, and everything else I beat. So if he bet here, probably I would call because he will have many bluffs he don't have showdown value with. So let's see what happens. He checked and he had pocket nines.